Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my very simple morning face wash routine that I used to follow every single day without any excuse. So the very first thing I do is check my YouTube and all my social media handles in the bed itself, and after that I head to my bathroom and brush. Before touching my face, I wash my hands thoroughly to remove all the dirt and bacteria and all of the residue from my hands. Next, I wash my face with plain tap water. Step 1 is cleansing. I use Blossom KOCCHAR's charcoal face wash. It's my current favorite face wash. It's a mild foaming liquid that removes all the dirt and impurities from my skin without drying it, and that's the best part. I use it on my face using light circular motions, massage it gently for about 1 to 2 minutes and then wash off. Step 2 is scrubbing. For this, I like to use Blossom KOCCHAR's coffee bean scrub. I just love the way it smells. It instantly freshens me up, and I scrub it gently all over my face for about 2-3 minutes and then wash it off. I use it on a regular basis as it's mild and 100% free from phthalates, parabens and sulfate. After this, I use a clean towel to pat dry my face, or sometimes even tissue papers when I don't have a clean towel with me. Step 3 is toning. For this, I use a toner or sometimes even a face mist, but yeah, that completely depends on my mood. Here I'm using Rose Toner by Good Vibes. I love this toner because it adds that extra glow and sheen to your face, so it's really good, and I also love the smell. Step 4 is moisturizing. I've been using this plum green tea mattifying moisturizer for about a month now, I guess, and I just love it because it completely suits my skin and also keeps it hydrated. Step 5 is sunscreen. I use Neutrogena Ultra Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. Provides amazing sun protection without leaving any white chalky cast on my skin. So yeah guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching my simple morning face wash routine. Please do let me know in the comment section below and give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you never miss an update. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and be beautiful.